Sean Morris again, man, presenting to you how to make hot chocolate. Yeah, man,
You know about sardine, mackerel, bully beef, chicken foot, chicken neck, chicken back. Nothing a waste, nothing a dash way.
You know the thing, me is very big on tea. You know me I say, but for all those who follow me on Instagram, they know how my thing say. You see me post up a picture of my Morris style mug, you know the thing go. See? And in that mug, it always contains my herbal peppermint tea. Cause peppermint my thing you know, growing up, you used to just have a peppermint now you bust the gas quick. But after discovering the cocoa tree now, which was in our backyard as well, I started to like eating the fresh cocoa. And I say, yeah. Let me get exposed to hot chocolate and I say, yeah, this is not too bad. So the love for hot chocolate develops. So in between, if it's not hot chocolate for me, it's mint tea. So from the ripe cocoa, what they do is they get that sun-dried, fermented, and then they roast them. And after they roast it, they get that in a powdered form, and then they hand mold those, which evolve into these tiny little goblets of goodness. Now this is where I come in and say, alright, hot chocolate for the morning. So I'm gonna go so now, boom, add some nice little spices, sweet to taste, and deal with the thing. Yeah man, wait. So without further delay, forward, me show you how I go on. So to kickstart the hot chocolate, we're gonna start out with some coconut milk for a richer texture. You know what I say? You can use straight water, but I need it to be richer. See? So we need 3 cups of liquid in total. I'm gonna go in with equal portions of coconut milk and water. Put our heat on medium high. Gonna add to that 1 cinnamon stick, 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Then we're gonna grate half of this nutmeg straight in. If you're using the ground nutmeg, you can use a 1/4 teaspoon just the same. So lastly, we're gonna go in with that cocoa ball, right? Which is about 2 ounces. And once this melts and this has come to a boil, then you're ready to go. As I said before, once you go to your local West Indian Caribbean stores, they'll have these in packages. So this is one of the reasons why we add the salt in at the beginning, just so it doesn't boil over the stove, right? And you can smell that coconut milk, that nutmeg, beautiful. Bring that down to a medium boil. Allow it to melt that cocoa. Look at that. It's all dissolved. What we need to do at this point now is to strain that. You're wrong if you thought that was enough straining. Alright, I don't have a cheesecloth to make this easier on myself. So what I'm going to be using is some hand towel. Separate that into 2 and then we strain for a more refined beverage. Do you hear that running, friends? That's the sound of beautiful hot chocolate in the morning. Let it flow, let it flow, let it flow. Look at all of that we got out, you know? Will it hurt to strain a 3rd time? I don't think so. So depending on how you like your chocolate, this will serve up to 2 people. You see me? Because you don't want water down the thing, you know. You want the thing to be rich and nice, you see? And I'm going to go in with 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla. Mix this in. So now we're going to go in with some nice condensed milk. And at this point you want to sweeten to taste. Nice and rich, you know. So I use about 1/2 cup of condensed milk to sweeten mine. You can sweeten to your liking, right? Give that a taste. Beautiful. And there you have it. How to make homemade hot chocolate here on Morris Time Cooking It. Once again, thank you very much for watching. And do remember to hit that subscribe button for more amazing videos like these. Until next time, safe travel upon the gravel. And go and big up on yourself.
See another dinner for later. But know you're fast, girl, you have to tell me. Cause any man can feed you. So that's why you always take me to the kitchen. Yeah, yeah, yeah.